Welcome to my channel. I am Bobby Chandra. Now I am going to share you about procedure of self-isolation at home for COVID-19 patient. Procedure for self-isolation at home for COVID-19 patient. There are a number of measures that can be taken to prevent the spread of the coronavirus to other people at home as long as it is used as a place for self-isolation for COVID-19 patient. The following is procedure for self-isolation at home. According to the World Health Organization, which is published on the official website who.int. First, patient must stay in a separate room. If this is not possible, then keep a distance of at least 1 meter from the patient. The patient and other people in the same room must wear a medical mask. 2. Provide good ventilation in the patient room and common rooms in addition to providing good ventilation in various rooms in the house. Try to open window if possible and if it is safe to do so. 3. Patients should wear medical masks as often as possible. It is important for patients to continue to wear medical masks, especially when not alone in the room and when a minimum distance of 1 meter from the other people cannot be maintained. 4. Visitors are not allowed to enter the house. If they are guests visiting, preferably outside the house to prevent transmission of the coronavirus. 5. Limit the number of the people accompanying you at home. If possible, limit the number of caregivers for COVID-19 patients to only one person at home. These caregivers should be in good health without a story of illness. 6. Caregiver and family members must wear a medical mask when in the same room as a patient. Anyone who is in the same room with a COVID-19 patient at home must continue to wear a mask. In addition, they must not touch the mask or face. Throw away the mask after leaving the room. Wash hands afterwards. 7. No personal utensils. The patient must have special plates, cups, cutlery, towel, and bed linens. These appliances should be washed with soap and water and should not be used by anyone else in the house. 8. Clean the surface of the objects that are touched. Surface the objects that are frequently touched by patients should be cleaned and disinfected at least every day. 9. Everyone in the house must wash their hands with soap and running water regularly. Anyone who in the house where self-isolation is required must wash their hands diligently, especially after coughing or sneezing, before and after preparing food, before eating, after using the toilet, before and after caring for patients, when hands look dirty. 10. Coughing or sneezing needs special precaution. When coughing, anyone who in the home where a COVID-19 patient is self-isolation must cover his mouth and nose with a bent elbow or a disposable tissue. Throw away the tissue immediately after use. 11. Waste from patient must be packed in strong sealed bag before being disposed of or cleaned. Various equipment used by patients such as masks, towel, sheets, and other items must be packed in closed bag to prevent the spread of the coronavirus. How long COVID patients stay at home for self-isolation? According to the Center of Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC, basically people with COVID-19 need to self-isolate until they really cannot longer transmit the coronavirus to others. Here's some estimate. Patients with symptoms should remain isolated for at least 10 days after the first day they develop symptoms, plus another 3 days after the end of the symptoms. When they are asymptomatic and without respiratory symptoms, asymptomatic people should remain isolated for at least 10 until 14 days after being tested positive on COVID-19. Thank you for joining my channel. See you next time.